disability lawyer David Brannen. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about pre-existing conditions and workers' compensation claims for New Brunswick with WorkSafe. Now, if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us your comments, and we'll try to clarify anything that we talk in this video. So just to clarify before we get started here, a pre-existing condition just means a medical condition that has nothing to do with the work injury or work incident. It could be a medical condition that causes disability on its own that just does not arise from the work injury or incident that you're claiming. That's important because workers' compensation only has to pay for disability that arises from that work incident or injury. So it's common in a workers' compensation claim to have WorkSafe bring up this idea that some or all of your disability is caused by a pre-existing condition. They like to do this because if they can show that your disability was completely caused by a pre-existing condition, then they don't have to pay you. Or if part of your disability is caused by a pre-existing condition, then they can reduce what they pay you in proportion. So if it's 50% of your disability is caused by the work injury and 50% is from a non-related medical condition that had nothing to do with the work, they could reduce your payment by 50%. So in the middle of your case, if this comes up about a pre-existing condition, understand that it's not as simple that they can just say you have a pre-existing condition, therefore you get nothing. As long as you can show, and by medical proof show, that either the work injury or the work itself made this pre-existing condition worse, then to the extent that it made it worse, you can claim disability. Sometimes up to 100% of a claim. There's a famous case in New Brunswick where a woman had arthritis in her hands. It was obviously pre-existing. She went and worked at a factory where she had to do a lot of manipulations, and lo and behold, after 5 or 6 years, her hands got so bad she couldn't work. Well, workers' comp tried to claim that obviously her arthritis was pre-existing and therefore it's not a covered claim. This woman was successful in getting benefits approved because she had doctors testify that no, it was the repetitive nature of the work itself that caused the flare-up in her hands that led to the disability. So there was a link there between her job duties and the disabling condition. Had she not done that job, they said that her hands would not be in that shape and she could have still been working. So there you have it. That's a situation where an obvious pre-existing condition did not preclude someone from getting full benefits. So if WorkSafe has denied your compensation benefits or reduced them, and they're talking about a pre-existing condition, it's worth looking into. Get a lawyer to take a peek at this thing to see, are you being unfairly deducted or denied benefits? That's all for now. We hope to see you back here next time.